Hello guys, welcome to another session. So here in this video, we are going to dive into a fascinating world where business strategies meet the market trends and the legal battles brings unexpected twist. So I'll be talking about Vishal Mega Mart IPO. I'll be talking about Indigo, Mahindra, legal battles and everything. So whether you're an investor wondering about the next multi-bagger IPO or you're curious about how companies defend their brands, this video is going to be very useful for you. So let's try to understand how Vishal Mega Mart is shaping up the IPO landscape and why Mahindra finds itself in hot water at this point of time. So we'll also try to understand what does this all means for you as a trader and as an investor. So guys, let's get started and let's try to understand about IPO in 2024. Okay, so if you see 2024, it has been the year of IPOs with around 76 IPOs hitting the market. 75% of them delivering the listing gains. So if you see immediately you are getting that gain actually from 3 by 4th of the cases. So Vishal Mega Mart is the latest in this to grab attention now. So if you look at the retail investors are again, hoping that it could be the next D-Mart, which is a stock that gave over 900% return in just over 4 years after the IPO in 2017. But history teaches us caution, of course, and companies like Future Retail dazzled investors before collapsing into bankruptcy. So Vishal Mega Mart shows promise with the revenue and profit growth, matching the DMart, but it remains to be seen whether it can sustain this trajectory. And when it comes to IPO, if you're looking for that initial listing gain of the first week and the SEBI study and everything we have discussed in that previous video, how it is going to, affect your mindset and the probability of that, all we have discussed in one of the previous video of IPO. So here I'm not getting into that. Now, if you look at the retail GN and, the shift to quick commerce, see, Vishal Mega Mart has taken a unique route by targeting tier 2, 3, and 4 cities, unlike D-Mart, which focuses on tier 1 and tier 2 cities. So here, 2, 3, 4, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. And this could be its edge actually. But it's battling an evolving market. That's the advantage also, in fact. So quick commerce platforms like Blinkit, Zepto are growing at a staggering 100% annually, and that's reshaping how Indians shop also. So these platforms are capturing the urban markets with convenience, and that is actually leaving the hypermarkets like Vishal Mega Mart to focus on less digitally penetrated area. So is this a sustainable strategy? That only time will tell. So this is something which you need to have an idea about. Now let's also look at why everyone want IPO. Is that a way to peace? Okay, see, everyone obsessed with IPOs because you just need 15,000, investors can apply. And some IPOs have delivered up to 40% listing gains also. But here is the catch. Only 2.5% of retailers or retail investors typically secure the allocation. Now, to improve your odds, consider applying through multiple PAN accounts of family members. But success depends more than luck. So not even luck, beyond that also, because I told you the figure 2.5% of retail investors typically get allocated. Okay. So fundamentals, the gray market premiums and the institutional subscriptions levels are are the key indicators of an IPO's potential. Now let's move on to the legal battle between Mahindra and Indigo. See, this again, Mahindra's new EV model named that 6E or B6, so has sparked controversy, right? B6 model with Indigo, and which claims that the name infringes on its 6E trademark. So if you see, trademark infringement is not a you know trivial matter. Companies like Adidas have won multi-million dollar settlements for similar cases. Mahindra argues that automobiles and aviations are distinct industries. Indigo could demand a hefty penalty if courts find merit in their claims. And such disputes basically underline the importance of respecting intellectual property even for well-established brands. So intellectual property and that's very important for the innovations and everything. So let's see how the court will take this. Now the question is whether Mahindra is promoting innovation or simply copycat. So this is not just, or this is not Mahindra's first, brush with controversy. So the design of its Thar SUV that resembles a Jeep Wrangler, which has led to legal challenges overseas also. So this is not for the first time. In the design also there were issues, and additionally, its new logo has drawn again comparisons to Meta's branding. So critics label these are as attempts to copy, but Mahindra remains a proud example of Indian innovation, which is again producing affordable and very quality products tailored for the domestic or the Indian market. So, as investors, understanding these nuances will help you to gauge the brand resilience and also its future prospect. Okay, now see, coming to this year of 2024, we have discussed about IPO already. IPOs, in fact, raised a staggering 1.5 lakh crore in the Indian market. So this trend actually highlights the robust bull market, encouraging companies to list, and investors to participate. So companies are getting a lot of fund which they require to expand, right? At the same time, it is also giving the investors an opportunity to invest in the growing and potential companies. But not all IPOs are equal. And as we have seen, blind investment can lead to losses. So research, due diligence, and staying informed are your best tool to navigate this exciting but risky landscape, and which is very much important. You need to have that understanding of the fundamentals, and you need to do the proper research before even you apply for the IPO. So what lies ahead? What is a bigger picture? See, from market disruptions to legal battles, today's stories reflect the dynamic nature of business and investing. So Vishal Mega Mart might be a multi-bagger in future, or it might face hurdles from quick commerce competitors also, like what I've discussed in case of Zepto and other things, Blinkit, etc. That's in the tier 1, 2 cities. Now, Mahindra's legal challenges could either dent its image or reinforce its ability to navigate that adversity. So, the key takeaway is you need to stay informed, you need to be in a position to think critically, and always approach investment with a balanced perspective. Okay, so again, when it comes to Mahindra, we need to discuss too much about that with respect to the Thar copycat case and the new branding logo and everything. But still, we are just confining to this discussion of that use of 6E and Indigo issue. So that's about this session, guys, and thank you so much for joining this session. Whether you're a seasoned investor or you're just starting the investment, the whatever we discussed will showcase the importance of understanding the market dynamics and the broader forces which shape the industries. So guys, if you find this video useful, give me a like button or give me a like and share it with your friends also. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.